This video explains how to buy shares of Antero Resources Corp, a U.S. natural gas and liquids producer that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ARUS. The content is educational and not financial advice. You need a broker to trade stocks, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar to find the company by name or ticker. Type ARUS and select the correct Antero Resources Corp listing. On the stock page, review the company's summary and current price chart to get context. Confirm the listing shows Antero Resources Corp and the ARUS ticker before proceeding. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will request additional funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade fills. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to visit their site.